she shows us how to style this console table as well as this mini living area.
So everyone, these are all from SM Home that I just got at the back. So for this corner, we have here a console table. What I'd like to do is blend some accessories like this one and then work around with what I have because I would like to make sure that things are blending well.
Actually, ang ganda niya nga eh. Is there a theme that we're going for? We're also doing golden elegance?
Still golden
Okay,
elegance.
still golden elegance.
I also have a tip here. You can see these guys, but we put this in the Christmas tree. What I like to do,
yes.
sometimes I like to fold it and then make a bundle and still use it as an accessory for my console table.
Oh, yeah, yan ang magandang tip. That are like shortcuts to really design your table that way.
Yes,
Nice.
because like one of my styling tips kanina, diba? Splash of gold. Don't make it too much, but make sure that it still complements with what you have at home.
So if we have a lot of gold, we can use different colors as well. Para naman hindi sobrang gold,
Yes.
Even if gold is giving luxury and
Yes.
timeless, so we still gotta
You
put
don't
lots
want
of
to
colors.
overkill.
All
But
right.
at the same
That's a good tip.
time, you want to make sure that it blends well with what you have at home.
Beautiful, beautiful. I think we're also adding more.
Yes.
Yan. Maganda yung nutcracker as well.
I know.
And the reindeer we
Yes,
have.
we have the reindeer here. So, if you observe your decor, it has wood, diba? So, it goes well also with what you have here.
So it blends with the
It
gold.
blends.
Brown and gold. And they work
Yes.
together. Nice. We also have that Christmas
Yes.
tree gold.
So, for this one of my styling tips a while ago is play with layers. So, you can add it here and then make it layering.
You mentioned earlier we have to play with heights. That is
Yes,
a good
play
tip.
with heights
Oo.
and with layering.
Yan, I love it. Feeling ko, most of us here are really getting lots of tips to do it. Please do feel free to take photos and videos.
Yes. So for example, you have your basket here. We also have this type of accessory. Very cute,
Si
very
Santa
chic.
Claus ba yan?
Yes,
Of
and it's
course.
weighted.
Hindi pwedeng mawala si Santa Claus. So that's a really nice touch also.
Weighted too, guys. So don't be scared to have it here. And make it very fun and
Yeah, it's
very
like-
cute.
Meron siyang sariling home niya. And I feel like we can add more, something bigger.
Yes, because we don't want him alone. We have this
Extendable.
extendable.
Perfect.
What
So we
I
have
like
more
to do-
gold and gold. Gold.
Yeah. So again, this applies the playing with heights.
I think one more that we are noticing is yung texture. Ang ganda, no? It
Yes.
really blends everything well. So what do we have more? Ano pang i-add natin?
I think this is good already.
Oh, wow. I love it. This
From-
is,
yeah.
golden elegance. How would you name this kind of styling that you did? Is this something you would do at home sa sariling place mo?
Yes, as you can see a while ago, diba? Nakita niyo naman yung Christmas tree namin at home. Meron siyang splash of gold. We also have decors like this one at home.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. So sometimes you don't really have to use all, you don't have to go much. You just have to take a step back and check also if okay na pala. If this is like satisfactory. Beautiful, beautiful. Please give her a big round of applause. So we did the console table, and I believe we should move forward to the mini living area. So this is nice also for those who are living in condos,
Yes.
those who have like minimal space lang, no?
Yes, because I also live in a condo.
Okay.
So I have to work around with what I have or the space that I have at home. Let me just...
Alright, I think let's move a little bit towards here.
Thank you so much.
So I love that we're using gold and brown hues, just following golden elegance. And gusto ko talaga yung ang daming items and ornaments and those iconic pieces from SM Home. I mean, we've got the Santa Claus, we've got the gold balls, the ribbons. It really matches the whole vibe. So how would we design this mini living area? What should we like think of first, since it is kind of big than a console table?
Yes. So as for this one, what you could do is make sure the space is still functional. So you don't want to overcrowd your seat. So what you'll do is add another weighted decor that you could put here. So it's very cute and not obstruction to the space. At the same time, we have this pillow that I love to add here. Because as you can see, still the space is functional and we still have something that's relatable to each other, right?
Perfect. Kitang-kita talaga yung blend.
I
Sometimes
know.
minimalist works also, right? What else should we add? Ano pa kaya?
I found this very cute and very chic and classy
Oh yeah.
decor.
Very, very
Yes.
chic. Feeling ko that can stand alone nga eh.
Oh. Ayan. Again, you could play with heights and layering. And like what I said a while ago, add texture.
Perfect,
Like
perfect.
this one, usually kasi diba we see this on the Christmas tree. Don't be scared of using it for your end table or side table. Like this one. What I like to do is fold it a little and then sinip ko lang na ganyan.
Ah, para mag-hang siya or mag-stick. So, para hindi siya mahulog.
Yes.
Nice,
At the
nice.
same time, you can see the side table is still functional, right?
Yes, and there's a lot of space for it that we could do.
Yes. Again, this is my favorite tip kasi. So,
So we are adding
Yes.
another one.
Adding
really
another
making
one.
use of the space.
yeah, by not overkilling. And at the same time, making sure the space is still functional.
So aside from those, we're gonna be adding also si Santa Claus.
Yes, let's
Or a
add
snowman.
This
Is it
is
a snowman?
snowman. This is snowman.
Of course, never forgetting those iconic Christmas elements.
Yes,
Perfect,
thank
perfect.
you. Let's put him here. So you have someone with you when you're having a very relaxed night.
Ayan. And I feel like dapat hindi siya mag-isa.
Hindi siya mag-isa dapat. As you can see naman, diba, this is extendable. You could also make him shorter. So cute, diba? You can make him like this tall. So that you're also applying what I thought a while ago of playing with heights and layers.
Yes, perfect. Actually, kitang-kita nga that if it's just the heights and all that, it actually works din pala, no?
Yes.
Not just the colors. I like it. I'm learning also.
So let's move to the center table.
Oh, okay. So what are we focusing on pagdating sa table? Ano bang usually dapat iniisip natin?
Kailangan natin i-make sure that the space is still usable
Uh-huh.
and functional. So what I like to do at home that I would like to share with everyone is you don't have to push this away. You can put it on the
Ah.
end like this, like so, and
Okay.
then use a swag.
Oh, that's pretty, pretty. Again, matching the theme as well, making sure that we also have space left.
What I like to do, not only putting the swag, I would like to add this placemat with a gold accent.
Perfect, because the table is already brown, so
Yes,
saktong-sakto yung
correct.
gold.
Correct.
Love
Like what I
it.
said a while ago, don't be scared of mixing earth tones with gold.
I love it. And the candles also bring out a new kind of display also.
Again, when you're accessorizing your space, assess, use your material that you would like to blend with gold, and then don't be scared of layering.
Should we still be adding more or?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. For example, you have magazine in here, you could put it on the bottom.
Perfect, perfect. Ang ganda talaga ng golden elegance. There's actually not much na you would want to put kasi gold itself is just giving it luxury.
Correct. Like that.
Oh,
Still,
that's
you can
nice.
see there's still space for you to put your glasses and your plates when you're having a cake or so. And you could also accessorize it with few decors like this, your vase.
Perfect. That's really beautiful.
Like that. Usually we have live flowers, diba, on our pieces. You could swap it with something like this, so you could add splash of gold, and at the same time it won't look awkward.
Wow, that is perfect. Actually, parang yan lang, it completes the whole table already. What do you guys think? Yeah, perfect, right?
At the same time, you don't have to pull out your things that's already there, right?
True. So is this the design of the mini living area? Are we done?
We're done.
Oh, wow, that is beautiful. Please give her a big round of applause. I love it. Golden elegance. So we designed, together with Miss Cash, this mini living area as well as this console table. Miss Cash, I also would like to invite you here with me and share, some last tips that you would really want them to take home today. Really beautiful, by the way. Ano kaya yung pwede nilang i-take home before I let you go?
Okay. I would like everyone to remind that you don't have to be scared of applying gold to your home. Not only to yourself, also apply it to your home because your home is you, right? That's true. So treat your home just like you. If you like elegance, make sure you don't get scared of applying it to your home. Because again, you are your home, right?
Perfect, perfect. Thank you so much. Everybody, please give her a big round of applause. Miss Cash Ackley, thank you so much.